Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial video with Haneen here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy YouTube thumbnail with no work required. So what I'm going to do is going to go to canva.com, which is a website where it gives you templates and you redesign them for however you want. So in our case today we're going to be doing a YouTube thumbnail. So what you're going to do, and then you're going to just you're going to write YouTube thumbnails and click search. Right away it will bring you here and you can see a lot of templates. Now you might feel there's a lot of templates where you need to pay to use that template, but there's actually lots of YouTube templates which are free that you can redesign them again, so don't worry about that. You can go ahead and click on any template that you feel fits your video. So for example, I'm going to click on this one right here, and it's just going to take you to a new tab and your template is going to open up. So you can see here there's a lot of templates here that which are free, so if you don't like this one you can easily switch it out for any other templates, which is very great. Now you can see there is elements, so if you want to add stickers or you want to add stickers, you can add stickers very easily. Now if you want to change the color, it's very easy. You can just click on the shape and easily change the color. Now let's say I want to change this logo or sticker. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and delete that, and I'm just going to grab this heart real quickly and just add it and adjust it to however I want it. To have text, where if you want to add extra text or you want to change the font or the color of the font. Now if we go to backgrounds, you can easily change the background by grabbing any background you would like and dragging it to a template. As you can see here, I just changed the background. Alright, so now let's say this is our final. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on download, and then go ahead and click on PNG. You're just going to keep it like that, and then you're going to go down here and click for free, and then what you're going to do is download, and then you have a copy here if you want to share your template with others. You're just going to quickly rename your template and save that to your computer. Now as you can see I just opened my template, and you can see it's very easy to create a thumbnail. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next tutorial.